Hi, everyone, and welcome to Module 2. This week we'll be talking about Linux command line tools. This is a great introduction into the command line. If you have never used Linux command line at all, Linux has a lot of programs built into it that do various functions, and some of these concepts and programs stretch back to the 1980s with things like text editors and how do you, on the early computers, how do you edit text on a computer without a GUI? These tools are still, viable today as you're doing programming and software development. This week we'll be going over tools like grep, awk, simple things like, how to head a file, how to cat a file, how to run the program less, where you're looking at a particular section of a file, or the program tail, where you're looking at the tail end of a file. You'll be looking at programs like rsync, which uses to synchronize files from one computer to the other, which is actually a more modern, I guess in the realm of things it's modern, but it was developed in the 90s, and that's modern in Linux terms. But you'll be working on programs like SSH and SCP, Secure Copy. So these are all programs that are used in software development as you're working with different servers that you're trying to deploy software to. You want to know how to navigate these machines and configure them to run your software from time to time. So this is a nice foundational introduction to Linux command line tools. If you have any trouble, just reach out to me and I'll give you a hand. Look forward to it. Thanks.